It's not just the future, it is happening now. People who have built their businesses using AI are not just making it big, they are making it faster, smarter, and more easy. Long gone are those days when people will tell you you need to be an expert, you need to be a pro to use AI tools. No. Today in this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step methods how beginners can use these AI tools and generate money for themselves. Are you a businessman? Are you looking for means to make things easier for you? Stay with me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you step by step how beginners can start their businesses using AI tools. And don't forget, I'll be sharing some free AI tools. Not every AI tool is payable. There are some free tools as well. So today we are going to be breaking down all these things. Let's come back after the break. Let us start by looking at the opportunity itself. I call it the AI gold rush. Yes, just like some few years back, there was this internet boom that it just came like that. Those who seize the opportunity are not on the same spot today. They are far, far, far ahead. It is the same thing with this AI stuff. These tools we keep shouting out every day, we keep talking about every day. People who are smart are seizing the opportunity, they are applying it to their businesses, they are making sales, they are cashing out big. But some people who have decided to be the doubting Thomases are still watching, are still wondering, how will I do it? Are still asking themselves, am I fit for this? That is left to you. But if you stick with me, like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you some simple steps you can apply. Some simple tools, some simple free tools you can apply to your business to see it flourish. Please stop ignoring these innovations. Stop ignoring them. When there's an opportunity, be among the first ones to seize. Be among the first ones to grab it. Because time waits for nobody. As you keep contemplating, as you keep procrastinating, that is how smart people are embracing it. And they are changing their status. And they are changing their business levels. So that is the opportunity. Let's look at what you need to do now. Let's look at 5 different business models that are using AI tools to generate wealth, to make money. The first one is AI-powered content creators. AI has powered content creators. It has made content creation more easy for those who are involved in it. ChatGPT, Jasper AI, these are applications that content creators are using to develop their scripts, and it is working. The sweetest part of everything is that clients are not even focused on which tool you use to generate whatever you're presenting to them. They are only interested in their satisfaction. What you are giving, is it the full package? Is it what they order for? That is it. So when you go out to the market, you will not see content that has been produced without AI selling more than content that has been produced with AI. So that is one thing that has made content creators to grab this opportunity to the fullest. And it makes work easy for them. Because before, you will spend maybe the whole day struggling to bring out one content. But now in a day, you can bring out 10 different contents for 10 different occasions. Very easily. So one of the people who are benefiting from AI are content creators. They are maximizing it and they are making it big. You can even run a content a creation platform. Yes, it's possible. You can train other people how to use these tools, how it's working for you. You can enlighten them more. Run like an agency. Launch freelancing stuff. These are things that will bring you money back. So if you are a content creator, that you have not started using AI tools, please join the other people before you be left behind. If not, tomorrow your name will be had I known. Let's look at the second people that are benefiting from the AI as well as content creators. We have graphic designers. Yes. At first, for you to bring out the design, it can take you practically lots of days. Now Canva is there. All you need to know is know what you need, know where to click. Just have the creative in your head. Use tools like Canva to bring out your logos, to bring out the designs. This is what graphic designers are using these days. All powered by what? AI. Why are you going to be left behind? Why will your own case be different? So if you are a designer or you intend to be one, please hurry, because with Canva you don't even need to be a professional. Once you have your design, once you can be creative, you can bring out good designs, good logos using the application. That is why you see some people design so beautiful today, of which they haven't learned it, of which they are not even designers. But because AI tools are there to guide you, to put you through, it makes your work to be so easy for you. Grab this opportunity. Don't be left behind. Are you a video creator? Tools like Pictory is what you need. Synthesia, those are tools you need to generate professional videos, avatars. Yes, if you are a video creator and you are not making good use of Pictory, Synthesia, then you are still in the olden days. Do you know there are companies out there that need people to generate videos like advertisement ads for them to run, to promote their brands? You have the skills, you are wasting it? No. So use these tools to benefit you as much as you can, because it does not only save time, it perfects your work and it gives your work the perfect business professional look. So if you are a video creator who have not yet joined others, because that is what creators are using, and it is selling them out, it is helping them out. If you have not started using it, check it. If you want AI voice, if you want footage covers, you want to run ads for companies, check out Pictory, check out Synthesia. Those are applications that you need to use. Like I said, you don't need to be a professional. Once you are guided, you can use it. And there you go. That was the third. Let's check out on the fourth. Remember, we are looking at businesses that are using AI to their benefits and they are blowing up. This is to guide you who is still thinking, who is still wondering, who is still like, what will I use to blow up in my business, to use my business to have the next level. So this video is for you. As a business owner, as a content creator, as a graphic designer, as a video creator, all these tools are what you need to make it out in this space. Let's check out on the fourth one. Our next one is about visual assistants. This one concerns big business people, big business owners who are looking for help, who need people to come and maybe manage their emails, manage their schedules, like respond to their customers and all the like. These are people who are hiring and are paying so well, but AI applications like Claude, like ChatGPT is what you need. The next set of businesses or people who are using AI tools the most and making the most out of it is people who are using AI tools to generate scripts, or businesses on drop shipping, on e-commerce and all the like. You know, when we talk about drop shipping or e-commerce. This is like putting out your product out there. So you can use AI tools to generate ads, to generate description, maybe to your product, to generate all those things, and you just place it in the market. So drop shippers are using AI tools. You just need to just give a prompt. Let me say example with ChatGPT. You give a prompt, please generate me a complete description on this topic or on this product. You send the product image. In less than 10 seconds, everything will put to you, ready for use. So if you are doing e-commerce, if you are doing drop shipping, and you are not exploring the world of AI, then you are left behind. Because this is what these people are using in creating their ads, descriptions, everything. And in less than no time, you have ready to use things in front of you. So those are the 5 different business categories that are exploring the world of AI to their fullest. Content creators are there. Visual assistants are there. Dropshippers, e-commerce, they are there. The best and sweetest part of everything is that you don't need thousands of dollars to start using AI tools. You can start benefiting from these tools for $0, without spending a dime. Because most of the tools have the paid part and the free part. Let's take, for example, ChatGPT. There's a free part. Maybe for all your research, for your scripts, you don't pay a dime. You can check Canva for your designs. There's a free part as well. Pictory for AI-related videos. There's a free part. All these AI tools have free and paid. So what are you waiting for? What is even stopping you from trying out? Some people will be crying, oh, it's because of money, it's because of that. No, there's free. Like, you don't need anything to pay. So you see, you don't have an excuse. Go into the world of AI. Explore it to the fullest. Change your business level. Take your business to the next level today. If you have watched this far, I'm so grateful. And if the content is related to what you are looking for, please like the video, hit on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell, and share the video. Don't hesitate to drop your thoughts in the comment section, as we will be here responding to every comment. Like, every comment you do, every worry you have, put it in the comment section. We are in this together. We need to take our businesses to the next level. AI is here for us. We are here for AI. Okay, this is a plan for beginners now. Choose one of the models I've shared above, like from those 5. Choose any of them. Then practice any AI tool of your choice. Create any projects for free with a free plan. You understand? After choosing one of the projects, choose any of the AI tools I've shared to do, learn, struggle to bring out a project. Once you see that your work is fit for the market, you can now offer your services on Fiverr. There's Upwork. You place your services there, even in your community around you, even with your friends, with your group of friends. You place your work there. And don't forget, the most important thing is reinvest the income you generate into upgrading other tools. Like, since you started with free plans, you start upgrading yourself, trying out other tools, stepping up your game. That is exactly what you need now. I always say some people can even eat their capital. Don't be one of those people. Reinvesting is like planting more to harvest more. So that is it. To crown it all, AI is changing the way businesses are built. Don't wait for everybody to be involved. Don't wait for everybody to seize the opportunity before you start coming. No. The right time is now. Seize this opportunity now that it is still fresh. If you wait for everything to be saturated before you come in, you are going to be losing. Start small, learn fast, and grow your profitable business. If you found value in this video, please like, comment, and share. Tell me in the comment section which of the AI tools you have been using or you are still to start, because some people have been using, but today they have discovered others. So don't forget to drop it in the comment section. Let's know and tell us if you found value in the content. Until our next video, stay blessed.